This be the coolest thing I've ever found in a junkyard. Besides classic cars, those are expected. It's a goddamn United States Postal Service truck. I want to buy it. Fuck yes, I want to buy this. Ow. I just stepped on a rock. It's a Jeep? What the fuck? That makes me want it more now. Holy shit, this thing is cool. Oh my god, it's almost 1,000,000 miles. I want this thing. I want it, I want it, I want it. It's a fucking Jeep. It's a post office Jeep. It's a little stuck. Oh, yeah, it's open. 1 second. That was not poison ivy. There's no engine, but I still want it. Oh my god, imagine owning this thing. A Jeep graveyard, but fuck. It's a post office Jeep. One, I've never seen a post office Jeep. I've always seen Grumman Olsen's, or now just Olsen. Oh my god, this thing is badass. Well, that's the transmission for it. There's no engine in it anymore. U.S. mail. Fuck yes. I can't get over it. It's a fucking post office truck. The doors work. Not very. Oh. Yes, they work. Look how nice these fucking seats are. Why? Oh, the VIN. Yes. Oh, this is the same fucking company that made Hummers. 1979. Oh man, I want this thing. Gotta ask the wife. Then I gotta see how much they want. Ooh, I want it. I want it.